for earbuds that combine premium sound, comfort, and cutting-edge features? Meet the Sennheiser MOMENTUM True Wireless 3. These earbuds are built to elevate your audio experience, whether you're traveling, working out, or just enjoying your favorite tunes. Let's dive into what makes these a standout choice. First, let's talk fit. If the earbuds don't fit snugly, you won't get the best sound or call quality. Luckily, Sennheiser includes multiple silicone ear adapters and fins in sizes extra small to large. Find your perfect fit for optimal comfort and a secure seal, whether you're commuting or hitting the gym. The audio quality here is next level, powered by Sennheiser's True Response Transducer and aptX Adaptive. These earbuds deliver crystal clear, high-resolution sound. Plus, with the built-in equalizer, presets like bass boost, and sound personalization, you can fine-tune the audio to match your preferences. One of my favorite features is multipoint connectivity. This lets you connect to two devices at the same time. Seamlessly switch from your laptop to your phone without missing a beat. Control your environment with ease. The adaptive noise cancellation blocks out distractions, giving you immersive audio wherever you are. Need to stay aware of your surroundings? Just switch to transparency mode to let outside sounds in without removing the earbuds. Speaking of staying connected, each earbud comes equipped with 3 advanced noise-canceling microphones for crystal clear calls. No more shouting to be heard. Your voice comes through loud and clear, no matter the background noise. Durability is another win. With an IPX4 splash resistance rating, these earbuds can handle a little sweat or rain, making them a perfect companion for workouts or outdoor adventures. When it comes to battery life, you're covered. The earbuds offer up to 7 hours on a single charge, with an additional 21 hours from the compact charging case, for a total of 28 hours. And thanks to Qi wireless charging, keeping them powered up is hassle-free. So whether you're all about superior sound, all-day comfort, or smart features like multipoint and adaptive noise cancellation, the Sennheiser MOMENTUM True Wireless 3 earbuds have you covered. Want to learn more or grab a pair for yourself? Check out the link in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.